Welcome. This is episode 23. You're learning to use your Max and you're watching 5 Minute Max, where you give 5 minutes of your time and learn something new, something exciting every day. Okay, so in today's episode, we'll be learning about pyramid, which is a type of standard primitive. And to activate that, just like let's click on the pyramid right here under standard primitives, which is like subgroup of geometry, and activate that. The crosshair comes as usual. Now you can create the pyramid in two different methods using base or apex or from the center. So let's try to use the base apex settings. Uh, First, put your mouse somewhere anywhere in the perspective view. I prefer to create pyramid. The first one you just drag once and let go of the mouse and you're almost done. Just like go up or down. In my case, I'm going up. So like just adjust the height. You can see the height changes right here if you go up and down. It's very much functional. Like most of the Max's rollouts are very functional, so it will always going to give you the visual aid um, that is required. So let's settle down in 91-ish. Let's create that one. Let's create another one because already the crosshair is selected. So let's drag another one, the blue one, the big one. Let's make it a little taller and let go. Now, when I'm still on the creation method, uh, let's try the third one using different creation method. This time center. So let's click on the center radio button, which is right side of the base or apex, and let's just like drag and see what happens. It just like starts creating from the center, and if you like pay close attention, you can see if you just like holding down your mouse and go up or down, you can like adjust the width and the depth. You can see like I can change them like in the center creation method differently. So suppose I want like almost squarish, so I'll like keep it like that and let go. And the second part is pretty much same as the apex creation method. You just like can go up or down depending on your requirement. In this case I'm going up and let go. So these are two different methods of creating pyramids. Usually I like pyramids to have equal width and depth. So for uh, the purple or magenta one, like let's put 400 for width and 400 for depth. So more or less it looks ideal pyramid to me. Now pyramids has well, ancient Egypt time they used to use pyramids a lot, uh, but you'll be using them a lot in Tissue Max as well. I can tell you if you're like into modeling hard surface one, like this can be a very useful tool. If you take a look at the other parameters under the parameter rollout, if you change the width segment, it will be visible in the wireframes. You can also change this one as a wireframe one. You can just like turn on the edge faces and get rid of this crosshair. I don't want to create more pyramids, so we can just like press here on select object and go to the modify panel and change the width segment, um, and it creates like a half of the pyramid. We can also change the depth and the height segment. Now I just like let's just put 3 for now for height segment. So this pyramid can be used with other modifiers like FFD444, and we can like give it interesting shapes. Like if I do these ones, don't worry, I'll teach you how to use them, all of them, and every day if you keep watching, if you promise, and you can create crazy shapes with this, like a rocket or I don't know what, lots of different things. So pyramids are useful, and tomorrow we'll be learning something new. So stay tuned.